How to remove background from pictures using remove.bg. Let's use a simple image. You can choose your background in remove.bg. For complicated pictures, I like to use high contrast photo to edit it. Magic Brush is still under beta test and not all images may work. You can also choose to restore your background. You can preview before restoring it. Use the PNG rather than high contrast. Please download the image and use it any way you like. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channels for more tips and BitLife challenges.